Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want you to create a WhatsApp business page. All you have to do is to come to your Play Store. You come to your Play Store, you come to download WhatsApp Business. So you're going to download WhatsApp Business, and this is how you're going to go about that. So you're going to download WhatsApp Business. This is how you get to go about that. So you're going to, I have it installed already. So if you have more than one business, you could do more. You could parallel your app. So download WhatsApp Business, and you could say parallel. Yes, you could say parallel. Yes, parallel app. So you could have multiple business accounts. So just use this app to get multiple business accounts. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to download this. Since I have a WhatsApp business account already, and I want to create one for this graphic design services, I will just use my parallel app to duplicate the WhatsApp. All I have to do is say parallel app, and I'll use the parallel app to duplicate my WhatsApp so I can start WhatsApp fresh on the parallel app. So I'm going to open the parallel app. Here's the parallel app, and I just opened that. So you are going to download WhatsApp Business, and here we are. So this is the parallel app. So what I want to do now is to add. I'll click on the add button to add an app I want to duplicate. So I'll click on add, and I want to add the WhatsApp Business, and here is WhatsApp Business being installed on Parallel app. All you have to do is to open the WhatsApp Business. I'm going to open it right there, and it's going to open a new WhatsApp Business for me. And right now, I'll be able to use that to create a new WhatsApp Business account, and we can proceed with what we have to do. So you, as a designer, you need to create a business page for yourself, and this is what I'm trying to do. So you agree and continue, just the same way you go about WhatsApp processes. And right now, so I want to start a new account afresh. So that after this to register a new account, then I'll input my phone number for this. I'm going to input a phone number for this. So let me do that right now. So let me agree and continue. I'm going to input my new phone number. So I'll input it right here. Yes, that's the new phone number. So I'm going to input it right there. And I'm going to next that, and a code will be sent to me. So I'm going to have that code. So I'm going to have a code sent to my phone. Then I would be able to automatically verify with a missed call to your phone. Allow WhatsApp to my. Okay, so yes, let's verify this. So I'm going to say verify. I'm going to choose receive SMS here. And I'm going to use receive SMS. Then I'm going to verify my WhatsApp that way. So you get to create a WhatsApp business page on WhatsApp Business, not the normal WhatsApp. So you download WhatsApp Business. So I'm going to just input the code sent to me. So a WhatsApp code has been sent to me. All I have to do is to input that, which is 339752. So I'm going to input that right there. So you could just give it a right name. You give it the Billard Tech Service or something like that. So you give yourself a brand name. You create a brand name, and let me do just that right now. So I'm going to just use the flyer I designed. I'm going to just export that. I didn't export it earlier on. So let's see what we designed right here. So I'll use this. I'm just going to download this. I'm going to say download. I'm going to save as JPEG, of course. I'm going to save it as JPEG, and I'm going to have that downloaded. And having to download this, I'm going to use it as my WhatsApp business profile photo, or you create a brand design for yourself. But I'm just showing you how you can promote on WhatsApp. So I'm going to open my Parallel app, of course. I'm going to open my Parallel app. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp to continue what I was doing. So here it's WhatsApp. So I'm going to continue what I was doing right now. I'm going to just try to continue that, and here we are. So this place, all I have to do is to input my profile picture and everything. So I'm just going to input that since I've exported that. So I'm just going to input this as the profile picture, and here it stays. Then you give yourself graphic design. You just create Willard Tech Services. Yes. So you input something else, Willard Tech Services, and you create a category for yourself. You just create online business, something like that. So you create a category for yourself. So let's say graphic. Yeah, so you just say graphic designer, then you next start. So you could create more about it and just keep this. So right now we have a WhatsApp. page, and after having a WhatsApp page, all you have to do is to promote your designs, just the same way we've been promoting, so your contacts could get to see them. So anyone that has this contact as yours, they get to see your profile picture, get to see your stories. You could create a WhatsApp business channel. You could do a whole lot. So right now, this is WhatsApp business. I just created a WhatsApp business page. All you have to do is to keep promoting yourself, just the same way you post on WhatsApp. Everything you do on WhatsApp, the stories, the profile picture you change, they are all promotion. So you get to promote yourself that way by creating a WhatsApp business page. So it doesn't affect your normal WhatsApp. All you have to do is to have more than one number. So you can create different catalog for your services. But if you want to learn more about WhatsApp marketing, I have a course on that. So just find my courses. Just come to Google, just type Beloved Adejigbe, which is my name. Then you see a course on promoting yourself on WhatsApp and Facebook, using Facebook ads and WhatsApp. So you could get a course on promoting yourself. So this is my course catalog. So you click on the first thing you see, which is my Udemy account on Google. So you say Beloved Adejigbe. You come right here and you see my course on how to promote yourself on WhatsApp. So you get a course that is grow your business with WhatsApp and Facebook marketing. So you get to learn more about this, create catalog for your different services, and promote yourself on your stories and all that. Hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.